What's up, guys? Everybody. The camera died yesterday, and I just fixed the car up anyway. So I'm really sorry about that. I just woke up, so I'm really tired right now. So yeah, I filmed it with the GoPro, so you're gonna see it with the GoPro. So I'm sorry about the quality, but that's the way it is. So enjoy. Good day, everybody. I hope you're having a good time today. We have some unboxing of a Velineon 380 motor, and we have unboxed the VXL 3M Velineon ESC, and we are going to put that one in the Summit 116 VXL. So let's get to it. The ESC is already packed up, as you can see. So that one we're not gonna do so much about for now. So this one, Traxxas Extreme Brushless Motor, 8-turn 4000 kV. Massive torque and linear power, optimized for 1/16 scale vehicles. Ultra high temp neodymium motor magnets. I don't know what that is. 16-cosh motor wire with gold-plated bullet connectors. Efficient high-speed ball bearings, consistent high power output, and precision balanced rotor. So it's a neat little package like that. So now let's just get to open it. Actually gonna take a little knife, my knife. So there we have the beauty. Got some screws. We got some paper. This is how you're doing it. It's pretty easy if you already have one. I already have one, so I think it's just gonna be like plug and play for me. And here we actually have some stickers. Yeah, stickers are always fun. I really like that. Now for the beauty. Oh damn, it's heavy. It's real heavy. So I'm just throwing some stuff down here in my garbage bin. This one I wanted to save. It looks pretty cool, so I'm just gonna save it. Always remember to put the safety back. So let's see this. So I'm gonna need a opinion on this one, and we're gonna look over here if we can find one. Can't see anyone right here for the moment. Do we have it? There are just some spare parts that I have. None of those. And these are the front arms in steel. We're gonna put on the Summit. I'm gonna take this one out. I'm gonna see if we can find something in here. I need a spare gear. Here is the wheelie bar that I've been talking about. But that has no spare gear. Here is a spare gear. Here is also a spare gear. So I think we're gonna use one of those spare gears. I'm gonna see which one. I actually don't know which one is original and which one is used. Because one of them sat on my e-Revo before. So you can see it's a pretty big difference. This is 13. I actually don't know what this is. A big difference. I'm just gonna pause you here and I'm gonna get some info. GoPro, start recording. And we're back. So I found two pinions, as I said earlier. And we're gonna go for the big one. So for that I need my toolkit. Always need my toolkit. This is too big, so I'm gonna need a GoPro. Start recording. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I went and got some spare gear. I'm gonna go for the big one. So all that is to it. We're gonna need some Loctite. Looks like this. So we're just gonna take this little blue stuff. Just put a tiny bit of it. We are going to screw that inside of here. Like this. We're gonna put this one on. I don't know exactly how long it's gonna be right now. So I'm just gonna guess it, like right there. So put the lid back on. Now we are going to get ahead and pull out the big guns. Baddest couple, don't you break my heart. Looks so nice, it looks so good. Like that puppy, I wish you could. This is my Traxxas Summit 116 VXL. It fell right through me. I don't know what you're gonna do to me. What you gonna do to me? So we're gonna start off by taking off the body, as you always do. Line it up back here. So nice. First of all, we're going to take this lid off. For that we need the hexa screw. I think it's like that. Yeah, 1.5. So we're just gonna screw some here. And screw some over here. And now we can just pull it up. Pull it up, pull it up. We're gonna take this one off too. Sorry, I'm blocking the light again. And this is just the lid to hold down the screws. Always remember where you put everything. That's really important. We're gonna have to take and shorten the antenna also. But first things first. What I really wanted to do was to take this one, this board, just pull it back under here. I don't know if that's possible right now, because I really tangled it in and glued it back really good on there. So here you see my two servos, original, both of them. You can see under there 2080. So we need to unscrew the motor, to unscrew it here to get it off, and then you can just slide it off. So this one should be inside here, so I have to undo that one first. Yeah, I already changed that one, so need to change it back. Later, have you seen my alligator? And we're gonna have to find out where these screws are. This one goes on here. Okay, so it needs to be a lot further in too. So I'm just taking out the screws out of the bag that we're going to put on the engine. This one is going to be on like this, and then for the other one is inside here. And now we can put this one on, just gently pushing it on there. So remember to take it on the flat side. Push it down, and it turns again. Can be frustrating sometimes, but don't give up. Never give up, it will get better. So we're gonna see if this one is good placed. Slide that on there. Yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. You take the lid off. Let's see a little bit better. I haven't bought a high tripod yet. I'm gonna buy a high tripod so I can get like pictures up here. So right now I'm just gonna have to show you as we go on. Yeah, it can be a little bit further into. Otherwise, yeah, it's pretty good. pretty damn good. What I want to do right now is fix these lights. I don't want so much cables everywhere. There's like cables everywhere. So many cables everywhere. So we're just gonna take a little picture how it looks. So we're taking a picture and now we're just gonna start taking everything out, especially the lights. I don't think we're gonna take anything else out but the lights, but so we're taking out the lights. And I don't know if maybe this one is a little bit better view. It's too high for the camera. You really can't see what's going on. So what I was thinking about doing was I want to take a combiner like this. So that's what we're gonna do now. So now I've changed the motor and I've changed the ESC. So everything works right now. The other camera still hasn't got any battery, so in case we're just gonna do some wiring. So we're gonna cut off and just do the wires so it just comes up to one wire from all the other lights. So first we just cut up here. Easy. And there's no one inside here. First I just pull every one of the cords off, like this. Now I'm gonna sort them out. So this is everywhere all over. So the left goes to red and the right goes to black. This is making like here. I'm just gonna fast travel through this. Like this, and just take a bag and just put them in the bag. It could be good for later. And the same on this one, we're just gonna take it and cut it off to a smaller. We're just gonna leave it here, and I hope you had a nice time moving. I think the other footage from this GoPro when I did all this didn't get saved. Something went wrong. I don't know if it is the memory card maybe, or if it's something else. But yeah, so I hope you like this movie, and please subscribe and everything like that, and we'll see you later.